Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to check your storage on your iPhone. First things first, you need to head into the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you find General. Tap on that. Now within the General settings, look for iPhone storage and give that a tap. Alright, now your iPhone is going to do some calculating to figure out how much storage you've used and how much is available. This might take a few seconds, so just be patient. Okay, once it's done, you'll see a breakdown of everything that's taking up space on your phone. At the very top, you'll see a summary. In my case, I've used 43.96 gigabytes out of my total storage. Now, if you're looking to free up some space, I highly recommend checking out the recommendations section. Your iPhone will suggest things you can do to optimize your storage. If you scroll down further, you'll see a list of all your apps and how much storage each one is using. This is super helpful. And here's a cool trick. If you tap on any app in that list, you'll have two options, offload app or delete app. Offload app will uninstall the app but keep its data on your iPhone, so you can easily reinstall it later without losing anything. Delete app, on the other hand, will remove both the app and all its data completely. This is a great way to get rid of apps you don't use often and free up some precious storage. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Fix Zone tutorials. Thanks for watching.